Okay, so we're gonna clean out the firebox and ashtray. And so where is my little, you wanna hand me my little tool there? Right there. This came with the unit, and this is to clean the fire pot out, and it's also to break the fire pot loose from
the inner workings of the firebox there.
This is the actual firebox right here. There's some pellets here. That's what released from when I unclogged it. So there's the firebox. The firebox has holes in it, and then it has this one hole, and that's where the igniter goes. And then all these holes is to breathe. So we'll make sure these holes are cleaned out. I mean, you don't have to do a spick and span job. I mean, it's
you just want airflow for that.
We just want airflow. So then what we have here is, can you hand me my little scooper that I made? That's what I made the scooper for, is this here. This was a pet food scooper with a handle. I asked my dog to chew the handle off for me. Because I have such talented dogs. And then this scoops out, and it'll see how much I get out of here, and it shows you how long it's been since I've cleaned it out. Because you really should do this, and there's actually, it tells you everything you need to do on the lid. It tells you the burn pot you clean weekly, the glass you clean weekly, combustion chamber you brush it out, ashes you empty monthly. It tells you everything that you need to do, and most units all tell you that, and that's to help you, but also it protects them.
We just got a little bit relaxed on cleaning it.
Yeah, well,
it happens.
I know. I know how much to take it to, and so I kind of go a little bit further than what they say. But we've also had this unit for how many years now?
I believe we're coming up on our 4th or 5th year of having this unit.
And it's been a really good unit. I mean, I recommend, if you were to find a unit of this brand.
Breckwell.
Huh?
Breckwell. We've been very pleased with it. Other than this one little hiccup of this auger getting clogged.
And truthfully, there's a brand that I use of pellets I've never had a problem with. But to get that brand is a 100-mile round trip to go get them. And so when it started getting cold, I wanted to get some pellets, and so we went up to our local feed store, and they had another brand of pellets, and it always seems like this brand is what I have problems with. So anyway, so you take these two nuts loose, and then we're going to pull this tray out here. And that's the two things I just scraped out. But now you can take them and turn them here.
And dump them in the bucket, not all over the floor.
You can take this outside and do it too if you wanted to.
But it's 8 degrees outside right now, so we'll just stay inside.
Oh, bad. All right.
That's okay. The maid comes next Tuesday.
Yeah, she. Okay. So let me get the vacuum cleaner out. I put this back in. Put the nuts back on. And it's all got, everything has this wick type seal, or what do you want to call it? Material seal.
You do want to check that seal, this door seal, every year to make sure that it's up to par, and if not, you can get some more at your hardware store and replace that. We've had no issues with the seal on this glass door.
So the fire pot's got these grooves, or these notches in them. So they go back in, they can go back in one way, and that lines up so it can have the
igniter in line.
Shut the lid. Shut the door. And anyway, so that's what you just got out of there, and that's probably, honestly, not much more than a month. I think I had this clean when when we started using it, and we've only been using it for, I don't know, about 6 weeks.
So it takes about 10 minutes for the auger to get enough of the pellets down into the firebox for it to get heated up by the igniter. They're smoldering now, and we should have fire in a little bit. So there it is. So be patient and just know that you have to give those pellets a little time to get there. Heat blowing into the house. So that's it. There's some general maintenance for your pellet stove. Thank you for joining us here on the farm. Till we see you again here on the homestead, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Stay warm. Bye-bye.